How to delete your Depop account. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete your Depop account on your phone. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open your Depop app. Tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Then here tap on the settings gear in the top right corner. Now here scroll down and tap on need help. Then here search delete and then tap on how can I delete my Depop account. Then here tap on send us a request. Here in the accounts issue, select delete my account. Enter here your Depop email address that you signed up with. Then here you can enter your username if you want. Then here in the reason for deletion, select anyone. Then here write please delete my account and tap on submit, and they will get your request for deleting your account and your account will be deleted. So this is how you can delete your Depop account. Thanks for watching.